You can order the Serpentine belt kit used in the video on CarParts.com via the link in the description. Turn your engine off. Set the parking brake. Pull on the hood release handle and open the hood. For safety reasons, we advise you to disconnect the battery. To do so, we recommend watching the video, How to Replace the Honda Accord Car Battery. We recommend taking a picture or to draw the path of the belt around the different pulleys in order to position it correctly later. Using a 14mm offset wrench, loosen the belt by turning the Serpentine belt tensioner clockwise. Meanwhile, remove the belt from the tensioner, then from the various pulleys. When changing the belt, you should also replace the tensioner pulley. In order to remove the tensioner, you need to remove the power steering pump. Using a ratchet and a long 12mm socket, unscrew the upper retaining bolt of the pump. Unscrew the lower bolt using a 12mm wrench. Then move the power steering pump aside. Using a ratchet and a long 12mm socket, unscrew the 3 holding bolts of the Serpentine belt tensioner. You can use a gimbal to help you for the second. Then remove the tensioner. You can order the Serpentine belt kit used in the video on CarParts.com via the link in the description. Take the belt tensioner.
Hey, it's Alex from CarParts.com. If you enjoyed this video and want to support us, like, comment, and subscribe. Okay, back to work.
Tighten the 3 tensioner retaining bolts using the ratchet. Finish the tightening of the bolts with a torque wrench. Put the power steering pump back in place. Next, screw the 2 retaining bolts back in. Finish tightening using a torque wrench. Take the new Serpentine belt. Pay careful attention to which way you use it. The writing on the belt must turn clockwise. Slide the new belt around the different elements, respecting the layout from the initial assembly. To fully put it back in place, lift the Serpentine belt tensioner in order to wind the Serpentine belt onto all of the pulleys. Then, release the belt tensioner to fully extend the belt. Before starting your car again, check that the belt is properly positioned in all the pulleys. Reconnect the battery. Operation complete.